In this video, we will show you how to assemble your GREENWORKS lawnmower. This guide can be followed for all 16 and 17-inch models. We will be featuring a 24-volt Powerall 17-inch lawnmower. Be advised, your unit may look slightly different. However, these instructions still apply. Warning: this video is not a substitute for reading the operator manual. For more detailed instructions and safety warnings, consult the operator manual provided. Let's get started. Step 1. Unpacking. We recommend moving the box with a second person to prevent accidental injury or damage to the product. Cut the tape and open the box. Remove the manual along with any packing material and loose unassembled parts. Carefully lift the lawnmower out of the box and set it down. Cut the zip ties holding the handles together. Remove any remaining packing material from the handle components. Inspect the unit and its parts to confirm that no damage has occurred. Keep the box and packing material until you have operated the product and confirmed it works properly. Be advised, the upper handle is attached to a unit by a wire. When setting aside, be careful not to damage this wire. Secure the lower handle. Ensure the lower cam locks are disengaged and lift the lower handle into position. Make sure both ends are seated properly. The cam locks may need to be loosened or tightened in order to engage properly. Check the resistance and adjust as needed. Install the upper handle. Remove the pre-installed bolts and knobs. Align the holes in the upper handle and lower handles. Insert the bolts through the holes and tighten the knobs onto each side. Secure the cables to the handle using the clips. Battery and charger. If you have a tool-only or corded lawnmower, you have completed assembly. If you purchased a complete kit including a battery and charger, these items can now be unpacked. Please be advised that batteries are not shipped fully charged. It is recommended to fully charge each battery before use to ensure that the maximum runtime can be achieved. To learn more about this product, including how to charge the batteries, operation, and general maintenance, visit our YouTube channel. Properly maintained, your GREENWORKS lawnmower will provide you with years of great service. If you have any difficulties or need replacement parts, contact us at greenworkstools.com.